guys, so this is part 2 of this record fair in Wanayala. Now let's go. We've actually seen a lot of albums.
Yeah, ito yung mga single 45.
Oh, alright.
Hindi yan album.
Singles.
Yan yung mga first song lang yan. Usually 1 or 2 songs. Yan.
Simpsons.
Yeah. Michael Jackson.
Grease.
Ito mga 80s.
Yeah.
Kahapon, nakita natin, nakalimutan kong bilhin, Billy Idol na picture.
Oh, yeah.
Miss, nabili na yung Billy Idol na picture disc niya. Kahapon meron dito nakita. Picture disc. Ha?
Ibang album po yung
Oo, kahapon may nakita ko rito picture disc. Wala na. Nabenta na.
check.
Oo, nakalimutan ko kasi balikan kahapon. Pero kahapon nakita ko dito.
Dito ba? Meron kami ng sir.
Pag balikan ko ha. Sige. Thank you. Oh, record store. Notice ang daming mga millennials.
Yeah.
Kukulik na ng vinyl.
Yeah. And black.
Yeah, dati mga tatanda lang eh. Ngayon, mga students.
Yeah.
Tayo, mga rockstars.
Ooh, Ramones. Beastie Boys. Lamb of God sticker. Look what I just found. Up on. No, right here. It's the Megadeth He Sells But Who's Buying album. Yeah. You know me, I like metal. These are Megadeth.
Ito, New Wave. Nagito. Oh, Euro Pet Shop. Oh.
Spend about it.
Oh.
Oh, they're under.
Vivo. Ito. Mahirap na rin ito.
No, they already did.
Yeah, baka may model sila.
Yeah.
Ano yun? Yung parang picture na.
Yung bilog na.
Oo, bilog. Yung mismong record yung picture niya. Baka nabenta na kahapon. Nakita ko kahapon. Ha? Oo. Bale yung pinaka-disc niya na bilog na. Nandun yung picture.
Raise your hands.
Ito, mga OPM.
Hook on.
Yeah, ito. Ito, mga Nirvana.
Oh, Nirvana. Ooh, never mind.
Tara. Tara, dire. Yeah, mga OPM.
Yeah.
Bakit? Ah, dito sa Billy Hall. Oh.
na kayo. Ha?
Thank you.
Let's go back.
Ah, dito. Sayang, dila. Nawala na yung duran-duran na ako.
Oh yeah.
Nakalimutan na yung batikan. Okay, dito na tayo.
Yeah.
Dito tayo marami nabibili.
Yeah.
Bali, 1K na. Yan. Nakita ko lang yung mga nabili ko. Puro rock yung nabili ko ngayon.
Yeah.
Kahapon, puro 80s. Yeah. Ito lang 80s, duran-duran. Ito, soundtrack din eh, 80s. Stewart, parehong unplugged.
Eric Clapton.
Thank you. Ano nga palang pangalan ng shop nyo? White it. Puro CDs pa rin. Thank you.
Yeah.
Tara na. Ikaw, anong nabili mo?
Now,
Can you show?
yeah, so this, if you're wondering what I'm holding right now, this is the one that I bought from the other store.
Dito tayo.
Okay, here's the reveal, guys. This is what I bought here. It's something that I
Your
like.
very first.
It's my very first CD,
CD.
and it's Korn. The soundtrack of Tomb Raider. If you know me, guys, I like Korn and nu metal in general.
3-track single yun eh.
Yeah, did
Single
my,
lang siya, hindi siya album.
yeah, it's not an album, it's just a single. Did my time.
So,
Yeah,
are you happy?
yeah, I'm actually happy I
With
got this. It's my first Korn CD.
Okay.
So
okay ka na.
yeah.
Thank you for joining
Thank you
us.
for joining us. Be sure to like, subscribe, and peace out, guys. Bye.